Welcome! In front of me I have Fossil Hybrid HR Monroe, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Fossil Smartwatches application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Fossil Smartwatches application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home page, and on it you should see the picture of your watch right here. Tap on it, and this will open the watch face menu or my face menu. Now you can scroll through this page, scroll down, find the category called Gallery, and in this category you have a list of watch faces, as you can see. Some of them have this cloud icon with the down arrow on it, and some of them have this star icon next to them. Basically, the watch faces with the cloud icon, you need to download first to apply them, and the watch faces with the star icon are already downloaded, and you can apply them by simply tapping on them to select them and apply them like this. And to download the watch faces, scroll down, download the watch face by tapping on the cloud icon, and once it's done downloading rather, you can tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch. You can also scroll down, scroll through the recently used category, and here you can find the watch faces you used previously, and you can tap on them to select them and apply them like this. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.